What have you or have you ever received a useful AI answer and still not known what to do? Because AI gives possibilities, but judgment gives direction. And the more answers create a new kind of shortage. So think about this. The first effect of AI is more information. The next effect is more uncertainty about what deserves confidence. Abundance creates comparison, contradiction, and more work checking what applies. Right? So have you ever used AI to save time and then used that save time checking the AI? Think about that. We've solved the shortage of answers and created a shortage of confidence choice. That's why the real product is not more information.